In this video, learn how to change password in Windows 11. Click on the Start button located on the taskbar. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, click on Accounts. Select the Sign In Options tab from the left-hand menu. Under the Password section, click on Change next to your account name. You may be prompted to enter your current password. For verification, enter your new password in the provided fields. Make sure to create a strong and secure password. Optionally, you can add a password hint to help you remember the password in case you forget it. This step is not mandatory. Click on the Next button. Finally, click on the Finish button to complete the password change process.